All right, y'all. As you can see, it is a beautiful day. I'm still going back and forth on how we gonna handle it, but we got like a good amount of things to do today. So we about to walk the GP, and yeah. All right, we done arrived at GP. It's a good morning. It feels nice. It's like a little cool. I was been supposed to make a whole video, but I kind of be procrastinating, and I want to stop doing that. So I figured, you know what better opportunity than now to do that. So it's Saturday morning. I want to get things started early. I think I'm gonna start out with like, I'm kind of split between the gym and the park, because sometimes I don't really like being around people that much, but then it's really early, so the gym is kind of empty. But then again, I'm kind of in the mood to feel like the wind and see some trees and stuff while I work out. So I think I'm leaning towards the park, because I planned on doing like a real nice gym session tomorrow for like a good, 2 or 3 hours. So I think a good park session to hold me down for today. So we're gonna get started. We're gonna head to the park, and I might have to get some gas too, actually. But we're gonna head to the park, and then yeah, that's step one of the day. So let's get to it. All right, so y'all, we on our way to Highland. We're going to the park. I'm in Brooklyn, so it's a really good park. Nice, it's clean, it'll be quiet, cool vibes. We're gonna handle today, we're gonna approach it the right way. We're gonna be positive. I be wanting to utilize my morning energy, and that's when I'm like, I have the most energy is in the morning time. So I'm like, all right, let me try to use it like, effectively. But yeah. And also, as far as how the park goes, I love doing stuff early. I always try to do stuff early or late, just for the sake of comfort, because people are crazy, I don't like being around people's energy. I don't want to be around people's thoughts. I want to be around what I can try to control them, which is myself. But not that I'm not social, because I definitely am. It's just that I try to make sure that when I am social, I make it make sense, especially as I'm getting older. Try to use my time more wisely and make sure that, there's more substance behind my actions. So, yes, sir. All right, y'all, we at the park. We definitely here. It's nice and early, as you can see. This is the area, I go do my thing. I'm gonna bring y'all with me, but I like to take a few minutes and just chill real quick. Also, we're gonna take a little smoke break real quick, and then what I'm gonna do is, anytime I go to the park, what I like to do is, I would like do between 5 and 10 sets, 4 exercises in each set, 2 exercises for the upper body and 2 for the lower body. Keep it even, keep it nice and even. I pretty much do full body workouts all the time. That just works for me. It's the way I like to do it. Doesn't matter, whatever. And after we do this, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna head back to the crib, eat, and wait for like the mall to open up. So I gotta get some stuff for my animals, and we're gonna go grocery shop too. So we got a good array of events coming for us, but I want to get the blood going, get the heart pumping. You know what I'm saying? Okay, but yeah, it's gonna be fun. I always like to approach this as a blessing, not a chore. It's a blessing to have this experience. You know what I'm saying? It's a blessing. Being free, having a life, being alive, having good health, being able, strong-minded, all of those things. Gotta put that shit into the air, because we live in crazy times nowadays. Let's hit the ball real quick. it's like about 9 now. I was in the park for probably like an hour and a half. We did some muscle ups, squats, pull-ups, chin-ups, some ab exercises. So I'm pretty satisfied, you know. But it's time to move on with the rest of the day. I'm gonna go to the crib, probably make like a shake, take a shower, then go and get some groceries so that later on we could cook something real good. You know what I'm saying? And I'm gonna take y'all along so y'all can see what I eat like, or how I eat, rather. And then, yeah, I might as well just fill up GP because it don't make no sense to worry about it later. And everybody know how that shit go when it come to getting gas. That shit is hella annoying. And the gas station is still early. It's like 9:15 type shit. So just get this gas right now while it's not a problem, because nobody got no fucking time for the issues later. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna fill up GP. We're gonna get back on the road, but we're gonna head back to the crib rather. Alright, so it's post-workout. I made me a bowl with some Greek yogurt, almonds, granola, bananas, flax seeds, wild blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries, and maple syrup. Shit about to smash. And I'm about to also roll up real quick also, so I could go back out to the grocery store. So we about to eat this. Okay, y'all, I'm in Petco. I'm here for my cat, my dog, and my turtle. Shit, I'm here for everybody. Look at this. Look at that. Rat vibes. A whole bunch of different cat foods for overweight cats, perfect weight, senior vitality, because my cat is like 10 years old, appetite control. Yeah, that'll do. That's perfect. Try to feed him good, because he been getting picky lately, so I hope ain't no bullshit. Okay, y'all, I'm in Petco. I'm here for my cat, my dog, and my turtle. Shit, I'm here for everybody. Look at this. Look at that. Rat vibes. Alright, y'all, so I wasn't being the smartest, and I spilled cat litter all over the whip, but it's clean. There's not really that much, so I'm gonna have to probably get like a vacuum or something, but I'm just trying to get enough of it up so, you know, it's suitable. But, you know, that's why you take your time with things. But it's cool. The day's still good. Still feeling good. You know, not gonna let nothing like that take my vibe. Alright, y'all, I got a little solution. I cleaned up the best I could till I get a vacuum in later. And I just put my kettlebell right there, and then I'm gonna put the seat back. So we should be Gucci to drive. Now it's time to get some food. I picked up a good amount of stuff. Like, I got fruits, I got a whole bunch of meats, you know, for protein, because I could easily pick up side dishes later. I got fruits, vegetables, and right now I'm looking for like milks, some type of some water, you know, just basic stuff, nothing crazy here. So everything I'm putting it in the car right now. Only thing I would say is that I wish I did get more footage, but it was so crowded in there. And it's a really big grocery store, so the most was going on. But we got everything. We got a whole bunch of meats. We got a few snacks. You know, make some good eats in the crib. Cause I'd be tired of eating out.